a tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Denton County in north-central Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over South Lake, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 70 and 78. Interstate 35E between mile markers 446 and 460. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.